you are all welcome on my YouTube channel. So today we have a question related with profit and loss. This question is a little bit different than other. If the cost price of 15 article is equal to selling price of 12 articles, cost price of 15 articles is equal to selling price of 12 articles. Find the gain percentage. We have to find out profit percent. Okay, let's start. According to question, what is here? If the cost price of 15 articles equal to the selling price of 12 articles, so we have to let cost price of one article is equal to rupees X. Let the cost price of one article is rupees X. Then cost price of 15 article is equal to what? 15 articles is equal to rupees 15x. Cost price of one article is rupees x, then cost price of 15 article will be more. If more, then we have to multiply. Okay, according to question, what is here? The selling price of 12 article is same as the cost price of 15 article. Therefore, we can write here selling price of 12 articles is rupees 15x. Same. Cost price of 15 article is equal to selling price of 12 article. Cost price of 15 article is 15x, then selling price of 12 articles also 15x. According to question, cost price of 15 articles and selling price of 12 articles is same. So selling price of one article is equal to 1 rupees. Definitely less. 12 article is 15x, then one article means less. If less, we have to divide 15x by 12 rupees. We can reduce by 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It means 5x by 4. We have to find the gain percentage. We have to find out profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is equal to, we are taking for one articles only, 5x by 4 minus CP is equal to x. LCM is 4. 5x minus 4x is equal to x by 4. And after this, we have to find out profit percent, gain percent. Profit percent formula: profit by CP into 100%. Profit is equal to x by 4. CP is equal to x into 100%. X by 4x, 4 will come in denominator, into 100%. X and x cancel. 4 25 is equal to 25% is the answer. So profit percent is equal to 25%.